In another video, I showed you how we use pizza boxes when we fill it with kindling for our outside fires in our backyard and campfires and things like that. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a similar method for my indoor stoves. All year round, we collect our egg cartons for the purpose of filling them full of our leftover kindling chunks of wood that we sweep up after our wood pile is done outside. So we literally fill it up to the top and close it, and we are able to create a very easy and stress-free fire start. It is a wonderful way to light up your fires in the wintertime every morning when you're trying to get the fire going, when you need kindling, because it can be expensive to go buy a bundle of sticks. So what I have here, garbage bins full of our small chunks of wood and brush, and it could be just bark and little chips that act really wonderfully as our kindling. I'm getting all full of dirt. So all I do is I place my brush-filled egg carton filled with my kindling, and I will stack some logs around it. I always put one on the edge here to act as my prop, to prop up a piece. This is a big one. Let me see if I can get that in there. Like that. So I've created now like a little oven. I always call them ovens. I don't know. Do you call things like that ovens? Little pockets of heat? That's what I've always called it, an oven. So there's my egg carton filled with sticks and little chipped off pieces of logs, and it acts as a perfect little fire starter for me, completely free. This is about 3 or 4 minutes after I lit my egg carton filled with little stick bits, and that is going so well you wouldn't get that out. I only needed one match. Yeehaw! So I'm cozy by my fire, and it is really awesome when you can do things frugally. Is that a word? Frugally? Being frugal. I actually just looked up the word frugally, and it is a word. If doing all of that egg carton and dirty clips and chips and stuff like that is too much for you, and you would rather have an easier alternative, then zip! This is a great product. We use it every once in a while if we run out or if we're just being a little bit more lazy. They are natural fire starter cubes. You can get them at Pazant's Home Hardware. They're fantastic. Natural fire starter cubes by Zip. Fast and powerful, and they don't have any aroma to them. AR. Very cool. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video about fire starting. I hope that you were able to learn something that you may be able to integrate into your own routine. If you haven't yet clicked the subscribe button, go ahead and do that now. It is super helpful for me, and ring the bell as well to help notify you when I make a new video. So have a wonderful day, guys, and see you on the next video.